Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom no audio. The first thing you can do is to check your settings or your audio settings. To do that, just click on your icon and go under settings. Under here, make sure you go under audio. And here, when you have to select, make sure you have selected output speakers that you want to hear from, the system speakers. And make sure that the volume is on high. And once you're done with that, then when you join a meeting, let's say you join a meeting or you are starting a new meeting, right? You then have to click, when this dialog comes up, make sure you click on join with computer audio for you to hear audio. And if you're still having troubles with your audio, one thing you can try is to try to update your Zoom program, restart your computer, and try again. You're done.